Welcome to the CMAM Report software. This video shows you how to enter monthly data for a feeding site, including weight gain and stock information, and how to check the performance for this feeding site. In the menu bar, go to Data and select My Current Work. Alternatively, you can use the colored icon on the home page. Then click on Please Select to choose the feeding site you want to enter data for, and the month and the year. You are now in the main data entry screen. CMAM components are shown in tabs. Data entry for SC, OTP, TSFP, including the new section of OTP discharges and TSFP, BSFP and MUAC screening is possible. If you are unable to see all components and treatment groups here, or data cannot be entered by gender, the data manager needs to change the configuration of the feeding site. There is a comment box on top to enter information that might be relevant to interpret data for this feeding site. For example, explanations for discrepancies or reasons for high default rates. Data is entered by treatment group in rows as whole numbers. The software automatically takes over numbers for the total at the beginning of the period. It is best to use the Tab key on your keyboard to move from one cell to the next. After entering all data, click Save. If desired, you can now see the performance indicators for this feeding site. Results for each component are shown in separate tabs. You can also enter information to calculate average weight gain and length of stay. Choose the CMAM component and treatment group, then click Add. Data is entered for single beneficiaries in rows. Average weight gain and length of stay are calculated automatically. You can add up to 40 beneficiaries. When done, click Save. The software also allows you to enter stock information. First, choose the product from the list and click Add. Each product comes in specific units. In our example, Plumpy Nut comes in boxes of 150 sachets. Enter the number of units in boxes and sachets in the column Stock In, Out and Loss. The balance is calculated automatically. In the event of a stock out, please tick this box. A stock out warning is sent to users that have been registered with this service. Registration can be done by your line manager in the user account setup under Admin. To add another product, find it in the list and click Add. Stock balance for all CMAM report components can be entered this way. When done, click Save. After going back to the main data entry screen, you can now submit this report to the next level. Don't forget to synchronize with the central server afterwards, so that other users can see the data that you have entered immediately. Click on Sync and start synchronization. Now you can go back to the list of feeding sites and enter data for another site. See our other videos that give you more information on how to use the software to its full potential.